I'll try to briefly cover everything that Apple launched a couple of days ago. I sound a bit nasal because of the allergies. I hope it will not be too distracting. AirPods 3.
Noise cancellation. 2 times better, already great for in-ear headphones, and if it's just slightly better, that's excellent.
Live translation. Actually not a feature of the AirPods themselves, it's the feature of Apple Intelligence. Older models will get it too, but if you don't have a phone with Apple Intelligence on it, you will not get this feature.
Heart rate sensor.
As someone who wears a watch non-stop, I don't really see a point. Maybe it will be useful for some people who don't like wearing watches while training. Apple Watch Series 11. 5G? Yeah, okay. New watch faces? Come on.
Hypertension detection? Okay, but I don't think it will be tied only to the newest watch since it uses sensors all models already have, but let's wait and see.
Sleep score. Same as hypertension detection. Software based, so it could work on watches that already track sleep, right?
The only real quality upgrade is the battery. Now 24 hours instead of 18, added 6 more hours. I think it's great.
Apple Watch Ultra 3.
A Mirage with a bigger display thanks to reduced borders.
New watch faces. 5G. Again, okay. Satellite connection. Nice upgrade, but how many of us are going to use this feature in our lifetime?
Same as Series 11, battery life improved to 42 hours, a nice and useful upgrade.
Apple Watch SE 3. In my opinion, this watch actually got the best upgrades.
Always on display, gestures, wrist temperature sensor, sleep apnea and sleep score, and you can play music or podcasts through the speaker.
The Juventus fans.
For much lower price, you actually get a really serious watch on your wrist. That's why I think that this actually might be the best upgrade of them all. iPhone 17, okay. Slightly bigger display, but 120 Hz refresh rate display finally.
Better, faster chip standard every year. You will notice it if you skip 3 or 4 generations.
Improved cameras, also expected every year. Still a nice upgrade.
The biggest upgrade is actually the front center stage camera. Thanks to the squared lens, you don't have to rotate your phone horizontally anymore to get a different ratio. And now you can do it while keeping the phone vertical.
Great upgrade, along with the higher refresh rate, the only real upgrade. iPhone 17 Pro. They switched back from titanium to aluminum for better heat management. You know, I'm not thrilled, but if that's the solution, it's better to have aluminum than to fry an egg on my phone, right?
Same as the regular iPhone 17, better, faster chip. Cameras got a good upgrade. Now all three are 48 megapixels. Honestly, nothing less was expected. Front camera also upgraded like on the regular iPhone 17.
And finally, the colors. We all expected to have a black version, but instead we got
Wait for it.
orange.
Personally, I think it looks fantastic, though opinions are divided.
And the last, iPhone 17 Air. Really stylish phone, great design with the Pro chip inside of him.
Thinnest iPhone ever made. 6.5-inch display meant to replace the iPhone Plus. Not much else to say except that it's beautiful.
The weakest part of this phone is probably battery because it's so thin. Apple even introduced the battery bank exclusively for this model. That says a lot of how long it will last, but we'll see. Hope you enjoyed this short review, and if you did, follow for more videos.